Welcome to another episode in the CMS Beginner Training series. This video is specifically tailored to the Comprehensive Afterschool, Before and Afterschool Scholarship, and K-8 Summer Strategies. Today, I will walk you through how to set up a group activity. First, select the Direct Activities tab on the left navigation menu. Here, you see the different activities that DCYF programs can create. As a Comprehensive Afterschool Scholarship or K-8 Summer program, we will only create group activities, located up here. Once you select group activities, you can edit existing activities and take attendance by clicking on the desired activity. To add a new one, click the Add Activities tab at the top of the page. Here, you will name the activity. Then, please choose the correct funding source. It is important to note that if your agency has more than one program funded by DCYF, they will all show up in this list of funding sources. Please be sure that you are selecting the correct one for this activity. Do not use other sources not applicable before checking with your program officer to see if it is appropriate to do so. Next, provide us with a 2 to 3 sentence description of the activity, including the number of youth being served, the location, and the time. Once you are finished, click Save and Proceed. In this next page, you will attach your activity to a service site and a grade level. The service site that you see here pulls directly from your work plan. If you don't see the service site that you're looking for, it may be because it was not entered in the work plan. You can use the link below to open up your work plan in a new tab. You can use it as reference as you're completing your activity setup. You will then decide whether your activity serves youth in grades K to 5, 6 to 8, or both, and tag the activity appropriately. For more information regarding activity setup and grade level requirements, please watch a video titled OST 1 to 3 Activity Setup Requirements or contact your program officer. Once finished, click Save and Proceed. Next, you will attach an activity category to the activity. You will notice that there is only one category listed here, Comprehensive Programming. This is our way of tagging this activity as one that encompasses everything that will take place throughout the entire program. In the video titled Completing an Activity Schedule, you will be introduced to a new form that you will need to fill out to provide us with a little more information as to what your youth will be doing on a typical day in a typical week. This is our attempt to capture some of the details that is lost when you create one comprehensive group activity rather than multiple detailed ones. Once you have selected comprehensive programming, you will assign staff to the activity. The staff members listed in this drop-down menu is pulled directly from the staff records in the CMS. If you do not see the staff member listed here, you will need to create a staff record before you can assign them to this activity. You can assign up to 1 lead staff and as many support and volunteer staff as you'd like. Once you're done assigning staff, you can move on and click Next Step. You will now create a program schedule. You will always add multiple dates when you are creating your initial program schedule. First, enter the begin and end dates for your entire program. Then, enter the begin and end times for each day of the week. The begin and end time for each day should cover the entire time your after-school program is available to youth participants. Once finished, select Add Multiple Dates at the bottom to complete this process. It is important to note that once you finalize the schedule, the activity will be scheduled for every day within the specified begin and end dates. This includes holidays and days that the program will not be held. To prevent this from negatively affecting your data, please watch a video titled Adding and Deleting Dates from Your Activity to learn how to clean up your schedule so that it more accurately reflects the work that your program is doing. Once you've completed your program schedule, you will be prompted to complete the activity schedule. This will be covered in the video titled Completing an Activity Schedule. Thanks for watching!